It has gotten to the point where I actually don't feel human anymore. Like, can we look at all of these bands right now? Gonna get kind of right into it and just show you the current state of my hair, because at this point you guys should just probably already know that I'm the worst at doing hair, and it has just, do you see that? I haven't washed my hair in probably a week because I've been wanting to do this, and all of this is just, it's getting to the point where it's not okay and we're not doing fine, and I just need to do something about it. Let's see how tragic it looks like when I turn around. Keep in mind, I have not curled, straightened. This is just nice frizzy hair that was in a bun, and I brushed it out earlier. Naturally, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna try to color correct it. Now, if you guys have watched literally any of my hair videos, you will know that pretty much no color corrector has ever worked on me. It works like a little bit, but just the way that I've done my hair, it's just, it stains my hair, especially because I still have blue in my hair. That's why you see a lot of purple pieces and half pink pieces. So we're gonna try to get it out as much as possible. And something that I didn't realize is the brand of hair dye that I actually use has their own color correcting kit, and I got this at Sally's. So this is the one and only Colorfix. So it's designed for full or slight color corrections, and it says it's controlled usage, allows color. So I don't know, I have never used this before. Someone in one of my older videos actually told me that you know, they have a color corrector, and I was like, I had no idea. I just want to read you some of the things that they state in the back, okay? Because you guys know I love this hair dye so much, so naturally, duh, this should kind of work in a way. I'm kind of like hoping. It says, easily, okay, it uses the word easily, removes any level of hair color, gently removes permanent hair color, and get this, no matter how long it has been in your hair. It says effective on all hair types, does not contain bleach or ammonia. I don't know how to say that word. It says it gently reduces the size of color molecules. No unpleasant odor. From 6 to 16 applications depending on whether use is for a partial or full color correction. I just want to give you guys that little spiel. It has these 3 things and they are numbered. How beautiful is that? 1, 2, 3. How nice too. They saved paper. The directions are actually on the inside of the box, which is kind of cute. I'm just mixing step 1, not step 2, step 1 and 2 together, equal parts. I'm probably gonna use maybe like about half a bottle, so we're just gonna get right into it. You know, I'm gonna use these. I got these from Sally's. Part 1. So this is called a color reducer, and we're gonna squeeze that in. It's, ooh, it's kind of weird. It's like a gel-like material, so we're just squeezing that puppy. Oh my god, okay. I love how it says it has an unpleasant odor, like it doesn't have. Oh my god! I'm gonna literally barf. This smells like farts, and on this box it claims that it has no odor or whatever. That's a freaking lie. But now we're gonna use part 2, which is a conditioning catalyst, and again we're gonna do the whole equal parts on it. Just squirt it right in there. This is actually developed to remove oxidative dyes, and since most semi-permanent colors are a combination of direct dyes and oxidative dyes, I don't know how to say it, it says that this may only partially remove the semi, and it does say remember to do it evenly and fast. I'm not gonna lie to you, this smells really bad, guys. Like, this is not, oh my gosh, it's almost unbearable. Am I being dramatic? Probably. I'm already like almost running out of the mixture. Like, that's how much I have right there. So I might end up having to use both of them. Just want to let everyone know that James just came in and said, what is that smell? I literally thought it was the cat's litter. So that just gives you a little sniff test of how bad this smells. So this better work, but it says to use a processing cap, which is something that I never do. Let it process up to 20 minutes, and then it says low warm dryer may be used to like kind of reduce the time. So I don't have a cap, so we're gonna use this. I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but right here, it's starting to pull blue. Like the violet, I feel like is coming out. So I'm just gonna let this sit for, like it said, 20 minutes, and then we are going to rinse this out. It says for 3 to 5 minutes and to shampoo twice. Don't repeat this process more than 3 times. And as we can see, it literally turned my hair blue, because if you guys have watched any of those videos, you would know that I kept putting the pink over the blue. I'm actually gonna go through it one more time because I want to see if I can actually get a little bit of the blue out, because blue again tends to stick to my hair versus violets just easily come out. And yeah, you know, we still got all that streakiness. We're in a different bathroom, and as you can see, my hair, I did it 2 times, got really freaking light in the front parts right here, especially like honestly, I feel like if I did it one more time, because again, I think 3 is the max that you can do it, this whole part would be like probably white right here. It's like a very pretty ashy blue. Like on camera it looks a little bit more vivid, but it's weird, like I kind of strangely like it. Again, we have so many bands and all of that. I should probably go to a professional, but let's be honest, I do not have the money. If you guys have ever watched any of my bleaching videos, I'm not going to go too into depth how I usually do, but pretty much I section it into 2 parts just because I am a snail when I bleach my hair. Therefore, I cannot like bleach this side, and then by the time I get to this side, this is already like, it needs to be washed out. So that's why I do that. It kind of keeps my hair like a little bit more healthier, so you end up looking like a crazy person. Okay, I do this just because, you know, when I dye it'll go like that and I don't want it touching everywhere. Pretty self-explanatory. So now we're just gonna mix. I have no method, as always. I don't know, don't listen to me, okay? I tell you all the time, professionals, okay, that's not me. We're just out here to destruct, okay, but still look hot. I know I'm gonna end up using like the whole packet, but I'm just gonna do half for now. Again, no method, just kind of doing it like that. I look for pretty much the consistency of not too liquidy and not too thick. That's just my motto that I got going on. Perfect. So pretty much just looks like that. See, it's not like completely running, but it's also not super goopy. I pretty much just start at the top, okay? There's no method to this. I just go like that and I kind of drag it down. And if you're wondering how I start getting the back, I mean, I just have like this much left, but I always have a mirror on me and I just pretty much just go like that just to see. I've seen people stand behind with a mirror behind them, and that's probably much easier, but I don't have a mirror that big. Definitely has a more yellow, almost orange tint, but the orange is only because a lot of the pink is fading, so it's like turning it a little bit orange. And I'll show you guys how to fix that at the end of this, obviously, because I have to do this side first. So let me do that really quick. I feel like it's blonde enough to where if I put a toner on it, it'll be okay. If I was going like straight blonde, I would be a little bit concerned. Like, this is definitely not cute to be a blonde, but because I am putting color on it, I never really care. I do want to go over it like just a little bit. I'm not gonna be going crazy, but I just put a little bit of bleach on, and what I'm gonna do is pretty much just go over it and let it sit there for like, I'm not even kidding, probably like 3 minutes. I am gonna be going over all of the more orangey spots. I don't care about getting all inside because, again, I don't honestly, like, I'm messy. I don't really care about that. I did forget to mention that I actually didn't end up using step 3 of the whole color correcting. Personally, I didn't feel a need to use it because I'm just literally gonna be putting color back over it. So that's why you did not see me do step 3. While I let this kind of sit and marinate, I always forget to mention this. I actually use Olaplex right after I do the whole bleaching process. So this is the original Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, and this is the one that I get at Sephora. Now that my hair has officially like semi-dried, just because I don't like to put hair dye like right away, you guys can kind of see it in action. And this is just the one and only argan oil, perfect intensity in pure magenta. You guys know. Okay, how many times do I have to say it? This is the only hair dye I use. And I just like it because it's like so, because it has like the argan oil, it just leaves my hair feeling so soft, and it definitely is a hair color that always sticks to my hair way more. Now, I usually use like a 2.5 tubes, but because I don't have 2, I don't know why I didn't get 2, I got 1. And I just added like a little bit of conditioner to kind of dilute it, again, I am an idiot and I only got 1 tube instead of 2. But hopefully this will be enough. This is the finished result, so bear with me because the lighting is literally awful right now. Like, this part of my hair looks super dark than the rest of it, so I ran out of daylight. This is pretty much like what it looks like. So it does have like more orange side to the pink than like the cool tone, obviously, because I didn't really tone it and it was a little bit more on the yellow side, but it's pretty much like exactly what my hair looked like before, except the pink drags on all the way more down now, obviously because I have more blonde up here versus right here it's more of like tons of blue. It honestly just ombres really nicely. I'll try to post up a picture so you guys can kind of see, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.